So what I want you guys to do, hey y'all, what I want you guys to do is put that one word in this definition, and you know the right quick. The word is foil, not like tin foil. A fool, guys, is the character, an object, or event that creates emotional response from, or within the character. So, for example, I love my mom. My mom is the best. I love her. But I know when I was in school, I would get in the car and she'd pick me up and she'd be like, I'm at school. And I'm like, fine, I'll go. We all do that when your parents ask you in the car. Fantastic. Okay. And even though I'm 39 years old, my mom will call me and she'll go, how was school? And I'm like, it was fine, Mom. But, or how was first period? I'm like, it was fine. Oh, how was second period? It was fine, Mom. Second period is the one with no R, right? How was that class? It was fun, Mom. It was fun. Oh, what about third period? I'm like, Mom, it was fine. Everything was fine. The day was fine. 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 Oh, well, what about your planning period? It was fine. I did stuff. I called parents. I planned stuff. I graded stuff. It was fine. Oh, well, what about after school duty? I'm like, Mom, it was fine. Fine. What do you not understand? It was fine. Just fine. Fine. So, how do you think Christian's gonna do in his golf match today? I'm like, he's gonna do fine. Okay? Gonna have any questions? Oh my God! How y'all do that with your parents? Yeah, thank y'all for being honest. Yeah, and I love my mom, but that's what my mom does. She creates that emotional response in me. Or I'm just like, oh my God, just listen to me. I know when I was growing up in school, Brent Montgomery's brother Blake, him and I were in school together. And my senior year, we had a bunch of class together, and the teacher figured out really quick not to put me and Blake near each other, because when me and Blake were near each other, we acted out. We always got in trouble. In this class, if I was able to put Kip beside Brent, beside Alex, beside Bryce, I should just go on and stop teaching, right? Yeah, because nothing will get done because it would be like, they would just be giggling the whole time. I wouldn't be able to do anything, right? Won't be able to do anything. And I know that, and they acknowledge that as well because they bring up different emotions in different people. If you ever know like that, different around different friends, yes, okay, different people and different friends. I know when we go to church, I will not let Christians sit with certain people at church because I know if he sits with them, he will not pay attention to what's going on in church. He will giggle, he will laugh, he will get in trouble. So I don't want him to get in trouble at church. So I don't want to sit with those people. And odds are you have no friends that always get you in trouble and your friends that always keep you out of trouble, right? Right? How many of y'all have that friend that keeps you in trouble? How many of y'all are the friend that gets everybody in trouble? But Jackson's like, yep, that's me. All right, fantastic. So that being said, what you guys are gonna do? Grab that white slice of paper, y'all. Slice of paper. And what we're gonna do? I'm gonna do this on the camera so the people at home can see it. What I'm gonna do, guys? I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna fold it hamburger style. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna get there in 1 minute. So just fold it. Why would you do that? We're doing just fine. I'll get those. Yes, ma'am. All right. So you fold it in half. Okay. What I want you to do, once you fold it in half, is make sure your top part's pointed to the sky. Okay. And what I want you to do is pick a side. It can be this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, or that side. Okay, pick a side, doesn't matter where. And what I want you to do is write your name nice and big. My name is Michael B. And today's date is March 30th. So 3/30/21. There we go. Just like that. Okay? Yep. Now that's my back side. I'm not going to worry about this back side anymore because I officially have 1/3 of my assignment done. Okay? 1/3 is done. What I'm going to do, guys, let me pull this up. You guys don't have to Google nothing. You don't have to ask Grandma any questions. This is not about Julius or Aaron or Lauren. It's all about you and how you are and how you act. Okay? What you guys are going to do, I'm going to zoom out on this a little bit so y'all can see the whole page. I'm going to scroll on down. All right, so what you guys are going to do, on the outside, you're going to write/draw/design the word full. I'm going to make sure I write the definition full. If you need a visual aid, look at this, y'all. I'm going to show you what I did. Now, I'm not the best artist in the world, but you can tell that I tried. What I did, I wrote the word full and I made it look fancy. Everybody say, ooh. Okay, and then I wrote the definition. A character, object, or event that creates an emotional response to another character. Boom, that's exactly what y'all have written down in your notes. This is the easiest part because on the back, I have my name, right? I have my name, so that's roughly 2/3 of the project, okay? The hardest part, guys, is you're going to think about yourself and your life. What you're going to do on the inside is get 3 examples of fools in your life. Who or what are they? Explain them using complete sentences. Make sure you have at least 3 sentences per person. So, Captain Sleep could be like, well, here's the deal. When I'm around my mom, I run my mouth. Even though I know I shouldn't, I run my mouth. I'm disrespectful, I'm impatient, I'm rude. Now, when I'm around my dad, though, ooh, he has me clean my room, I do it. If he has me vacuum, I do it. If he has me to vacuum the room, I do it. Because I love my dad, because my dad is funny, y'all. Ooh, but I'm around mom, and she said, clean the room. I'm like, hold up. You ain't the boss of me. You do that. Okay. How do y'all act a whole lot different on grandma and grandpa? Grandma and grandpa are old people trying to get into heaven, right? They'll give you anything, right? My children know if mom and dad say no, you just call grandpa. Okay? You got great example, Christian wanted to get his big baseball bat. And I said, dude, bro, you just got a new bat last year. You're not getting a new bat this year. We're gonna suck it up, we're gonna do it, you'll be all right. He didn't say anything else about it. On his birthday, a few weeks later, my dad walks in the house with a big long box. I'm like, what's in that box? He's like, just great to see. And he's all smiling. Lord, what's my dad bought my child? It was a baseball bat. Because what he did, he takes his grandpa and said, hey, grandpa, for my birthday, this is what I want. I know it's expensive. My dad didn't even think twice. Why? Because that's his baby kid's baby needs that baseball bat, right? How many of you have a grandparent like that? That you can say anything and they'll get it for you. Fantastic. So that can be what people are there. How many, and if it's me, it's not, I'm okay that. Odds are you probably have had the teacher some of your life that just got on your nerves, right? Raise your hand if it's me. Oh, look at that. There we go. I was seeing him go. Pay attention. Okay, so maybe you act a different way around this teacher. Tell me what's going on there. Does that make sense? Okay, so you got 3 balls, 2 or 3 balls in your life. Maybe you have that friend that keeps you out of trouble. Maybe you have that friend, Aubrey, that keeps you in trouble. All right, right now. Aubrey acts up all the time. Okay, does that make sense? So, on the outside, just like that. On the back, it's already done, right? It's already done, right? The back's already done. On the inside, you're just telling me who your 3 fools are and why. Make sure you guys complete what. Now that being said, right over here beside Aaron and Lauren and Julius are crayons, color pencils, and markers. You may use, hold on one second, hold on. You may use them as long as you do what? Put them back. Okay, I also asked them just because we're going through this pandemic, I got some hand sanitizer. Before you use them, wash your hands off. Okay, that's all I ask. Okay, does that make sense? What I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down. This project is not due until Thursday, but we're going to go ahead and give you about 13 minutes right now to work on it. Okay? Some people are first period, they got done. Some people are second period, got done. Let me show you an example. This was, this is Aiden. Y'all give me your eyeballs 1 second. This is Aiden. Did he do the front correct? Yes. Did he do the back correct? The only thing, when he wrote, I told him to write big. Did he write big or small? He wrote incredibly small. He's supposed to use color. Write big and use color, okay? Does that make sense? All right, I'm going to set up. I'm going to leave you alone. Come on, bro. Pens and markers and pencils. Use hand sanitizer first. Remote kids, y'all are going to do this. You're going to send me an email of it, okay? All right, check Google Classroom for more instructions.